Anything that I have now is because I worked for it. I literally came from nothing. What's it take to be great? I swear I give my all. I study Kanye and put the picture on the wall. I do this and drive at the same time. Y'all see that? You see that? You know what that means?
What is that?
About that time. It's about that time. Long overdue. Long overdue. Got the, yeah, it's kind of hard maneuvering with one hand. Let down. MacBook Pro, space gray. I'm gonna set this camera up so I can record what I'm doing. Just gonna use this. Yeah, I'll just use this. I guess this is like a crochet needle for hair. That's what I'm sitting on my table, but tight. Wow. Laptop. Let's see what comes in the box. Power cord. See what tricked me out about this laptop. You see, it doesn't have any USB ports, no CD drives, no nothing. All it has is these ports right here, which is like almost like what the Android phones have, but it's for the computer and it's got 4 of them. And then you gotta buy this right here, this Profile 7 port type, and it has like the SD card reader. You can plug your HDMI cords in there. You can plug like your Ethernet cable in there. But you gotta buy one of these, and they're pretty expensive. This. What are these? What are these? Get your stickers. Of course, Apple stickers. Comes in this little fancy thing that makes you think that there's something in there, but it's just the manual and the stickers. Charging brick, thing is huge. I think that's why this laptop was so heavy, because it is. And I guess that's all, folks. That's all that was in there. Charging cable, charging brick, and the computer. I had to buy this. Comes with the USB ports and stuff like that, but whatever. It is what it is. If I need it, I'm gonna get it. I figure I'd do this little unboxing vlog, this unboxing little video. Pretty short, simple, sweet. Maybe I might add some other clips to this, just to make the video a little bit longer. I honestly thought it was gonna be like, I don't know why I thought there was gonna be more in here than just this, because it's really all that I was really expecting to get. But it is what it is. Got the space gray color. They look nice. They look nice. There we go. There we go. Yeah. I had to cop the MacBook one time for the one time, do it for the culture, you feel me? But like I said, it's not an expense, it's an investment. So I ain't even really stressing about buying it. It is what it is. I got it, and I'm gonna make money off it.
To use English as the main language, press
Well,
the
damn.
return key.
Hello? Hello? Nah, I'm just playing, you know. That's my baby Siri, you know. Me and her get well acquainted, you know. That's my baby. It's good, Shawty. How you living, Shawty? Miss Siri? But, I don't know. It's the end of this video. Might add something else to it to make it a little bit longer. But if not, you get what you get.